Hello. So there I was, messing around in the shed. Can't remember what I was working on now. Oh, my 12 volt. My 12 volt little thing here, look. You can see that. I was trying to make a little light flashing unit for your mate out of one of these flashing lights off a truck. Yeah, one of them. So what I did, it's a LED one. It's 12 volt, so I rigged it up, didn't cross any wires. Had a couple of wires on the old crocodile clips attached to that, and it flashed for about 2 seconds, and all of a sudden big spark jumped out the side and it went pop, and you can see it's darkened off on the circuit board there. Now that goes through to one of them heat sinks and a MOSFET, or whatever you call them. Now what's wrong with it? Because now the unit powers up but nothing comes out of here. What have I blown? Anyone know? Just a little 12 volt power source. Perhaps the amps were too high. What's the amps in this? Is that what it is? Is this like 15 amps or something? Who knows? Someone tell me? Because I don't know. Shout me up, yeah? Brothers, sisters.